The problem of smelly, dirty, and clogged drains are common occurrence in the environment of home and food premises. Due to those matters, we have created EasyGrade. The idea or concept was based on the urge in helping and contributing to the development of green technology and sustainability of natural and better ecosystem, without having to think about the time and cost of conservation that should be borne after pollution occurs. The product is based on Newton's three laws of motion, which are law of inertia, law of mass and acceleration, and the law of motion. Technically, fats and food waste larger or equal to 2.5 millimeter in size will be trapped in the easy grate. Meanwhile, the drain water will fall down from the small holes which have been made around the pipe. Small sponge which has been placed inside of the pipe will absorb oils from the drain water. Now, I would like to show you the QR code which we have already prepared. Please feel free to scan the QR code in order to watch all the videos which we have prepared. The first video is about product making process. Next, product functions, product manual, maintenance and care procedure. The next two QR code will be the steps or techniques on how to do bokashi composting and candle making. Product impact. Drains become clean and reduce the water pollution problem. Drains are no longer smelly. No more presence of rats, flies, and breeding grounds of Aedes mosquitoes. Drainage of water to the main drain is smoother, and the problem of clogged drains can be solved. With waste can be used as compost for crops. Sponge waste can be used as a burning candle. As EasyGrade project aims to bring multiple benefits, mainly in improving the environment, we started our first step by installing the EasyGrade at 5 cafeterias in IKM Tan Sri Yahya Ahmad, since it helps owners in fulfilling the requirement for the BESS certification. Better environment at the cafeterias resulted with more customers to come over. Study conducted on the pH value of drain water showed that there is no more pollution. We also have taken steps to collaborate with local authorities and planning for holding CSR projects by installing the EasyGrade at some local residential areas, which will be funded by local politician Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Sheikh Muhammad Puzi bin Sheikh Ali. Earlier, we have already received permission to display the EasyGrid project information on the Pahang LED board at Kuantan as an early awareness campaign. The CSR projects will be expanded to all Pahang districts. The installation of EasyGrid product brought tremendous positive impacts to the environment. Among the positive impacts are the drains were no longer polluted and emitted bad smell, which is relevant with SDG, Sustainability Development Goal, in having clean water. All the staff as well as the students prefer to go to the cafeteria to have their healthy food, and IKM Tan Sri Yahya Ahmad will be able to obtain BESS certification from Malaysia Ministry of Health. This is due to promote good health and well-being. The wet waste, which are food waste, fats, oil, and waste that have been filtered, are extremely beneficial. The wet waste can be transformed into compost. The recommended composting technique is bokashi, as it is highly suggestible because it does not emit unpleasant smell and produce bokashi tea. The bokashi tea can be used as liquid fertilizer, which is faster than any other composting techniques. Small sponge which has been placed inside of the pipe can be transformed into candle by mixing it up with glycerin and gelatin. Therefore, EasyGrid do promote sustainability of development, especially in being responsible in consumption and production. That's all. Thank you very much.